Run
They are
faster!
right behind us.
They are right behind us! Run!
Little faster.
Run! They are behind us! Run faster! Run, sister! Run!
Faster.
Faster! Faster, sister! Faster! Run! Run!
Run.
Run
They
faster.
are behind us.
Run!
Fast.
Run! Run! Faster! Faster!
Faster.
Run! Run! Oh no! Wait! We are surrounded from all sides.
Listen, firstly check and see who are the victims. Firstly
Yes,
take
sir.
the statement of the person who saw the bodies first.
You'll get it, sir.
Go and ask the neighbors also. They might have seen something.
Definitely,
And
sir.
firstly take the statement of the person who saw the bodies first. Call the
Okay, sir.
ambulance and send the body for post-mortem.
Okay, sir.
And call a second team to investigate the whole area
Okay, sir.
and give me the detailed report.
Hello, ambulance? Yeah, I'll send you the location. Come as fast as possible. Yeah, there is a murder. Yes, okay. So I told him. So you called in the police station.
Yes, madam, it was me.
That means you saw the body
Yes, madam, I
first.
was moving the grass. I saw the bodies, and that's why I called you.
Okay, so you're a gardener here.
Yes.
A murder happened here a few days back. Did you see anything? No, I saw nothing. So you don't have any information? No, nothing. A murder was committed there. Have you seen anything?
No,
Do you know
I
anything?
didn't see anything.
Do you know if someone stays nearby?
Nobody stays here.
Okay, if required, we will call you to the police station.
Okay, madam.
Okay, all right.
Sit here. Boss, I found him.
Who is he?
He took the stuff 6 months back, but still he hasn't paid for it.
Why don't you know? Nobody dares to put an eye on my money. So how could you dare to do such a thing?
I will return every single penny I took from you. I just need a month.
Hey! Take him away! Parul,
Yes,
did you
sir.
find something about those 3 dead bodies?
We haven't found out anything yet.
Parul, I feel this case is very complicated. 2 male victims and 1 female victim. Looks like some sort of love affair.
Maybe, sir.
Get information on the victims.
Okay, sir. Hello? Yes. Oh, good. Okay. If you get any other information, contact me. Okay.
Who was it?
So we have identified the bodies.
What?
First victim's name is Anupam,
Hmm.
and the second one's name is Amit.
Hmm.
And the girl's name was Shweta. And the interesting
Shweta.
fact is that Amit and Shweta are Vikram Singh's siblings.
Vikram Singh's.
Yes, sir. He is the same Vikram Singh who is involved in illegal businesses.
Vikram. I'll catch you.
Wait, where do you think you're going? How dare you enter here without any permission?
The police doesn't need permission from anyone to enter into houses of dogs like you.
Welcome, Inspector. It looks like you're very angry. Why did you hit my man?
Because he was stopping a police officer from doing his duty.
Why have you come here?
Are you Vikram Singh?
Yes, I am Vikram Singh.
Police have a warrant against you.
And what is my crime?
Vikram Singh, you murdered your sister Shweta, your brother Amit, and his friend Anup, and that is a very serious crime.
What rubbish are you talking about? My brother and sister have gone to Mathiran for their holidays.
Vikram Singh, we have all sorts of proof and evidences that goes against you.
What proofs do you have?
There is no point of lying now. We have found all the 3 dead bodies. And we already have all the evidences against you. Your phone's location on the crime scene and the bullets found in the victim's body perfectly matches to your licensed gun. Now it is better if you confess about all the crimes that you have committed.
Yes, I murdered my own brother, my own sister, and that lower class foolish guy. My sister fell in love with that lower class guy. And my brother, he was supporting them. So I killed them all.
They who tried to spoil our family's name. Yes, we killed them.
Killed them. Okay, so tell me, whose payment has still not come?
Well, boss, only their payment is left. They said that they will come tomorrow to meet us.
Okay, you look after it.
Good morning, bhaiya.
Good morning.
Where are you two
We
wandering?
were just.
Do you just want to roam here and there, or have you thought about doing some work? Anup? Anup?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I have applied for a job at couple of places. Let's hope for the best.
Did you find a job?
No, not yet.
Okay, go.
Hmm. Let's go.
Keep an eye on them.
Okay, I will.
Make sure they don't do anything wrong.
Okay, boss.
Whenever I come to your house, why do you always ignore me as if you don't even know me?
Listen, sweetheart, you already know everything. How my brothers are. And if they come to know that I meet you, so the way I come to meet you secretly, that will also stop.
So how long are we gonna keep meeting each other in this way?
We got to do something.
Yes, we have to do something. But I don't want that my brother and your friendship ruined. Anyways, you and Amit are very good friends. I don't want to ruin your friendship just because of me.
I think I should talk to Amit once. Maybe he will understand our feelings.
They will never understand our feelings.
But we at least need to try. We need someone's support.
Okay. Okay.
Now tell me, bro. Yesterday over the phone you said you have to tell me something important. What is it? Now tell me. You're looking into your phone since I came. Tell me, what is it?
Bro, there is something I wanted to tell you for a long time.
Tell me, what is it?
Actually, there's a girl and I love her. And I want to marry her.
Oh, really? You want to marry her and you're telling me now?
Actually, I was a little confused. But now I'm 100% sure. And I thought I should tell you first.
So, what is your problem?
Well, the problem is that she belongs to a upper caste. And me, I'm from a lower caste. I don't feel like her family would agree for this relation.
Listen, bro. Of course, this thing matters. But, like you said, if you really like her and make her family believe in you, that you will keep their daughter happy, so maybe it can work out, but you will have to work very hard for it. Just don't give up. I'm with you.
Thank you so much for giving the idea. I knew it. People believe me or not, but you will believe me.
Come on, it's the least I could do. I'm with you. Okay, bro.
Hey, do you feel her family will agree for this?
What's wrong in giving a try? Try it. By the way, what's her name? Don't be shy. Come on, tell me.
Bro, you are my best friend. I really believe in you. No matter who is with me, you will always be there with me. You will definitely understand our love.
Yes, of course. Now tell me, what are you scared of? I'm with you.
Shweta, your sister. Sorry, bro.
You scoundrel! How dare you! How could you even think about my sister? Huh.
What happened? You were saying something different before, and when I told you the name of the girl, you suddenly got paranoid.
Rascal, I didn't know you were talking about my sister.
Listen, I love her and I want to marry her.
Shut up or I'll kill you.
Go ahead. But if I die, she will also die because she also loves me a lot.
Brother, there is something important that Anup needs to talk about. My only request to you is that you listen to whatever he wants to say and please try to understand.
Why? Do you think I don't understand?
No, not like that.
Okay. What do you want to say? Tell me. Go on. Actually, I need to tell you something. I've got a job. So, is there any problem? Well, actually, there is one more thing I need to tell. Actually, I'm in love with your sister Shweta. And she also loves me. We want to get married.
Hey, you!
Get up. Actually,
I swear if you were not my brother's friend, I would have killed you right here, right now. How dare you even say such a thing? Get lost. Are you out of your mind? You want that lower class filthy guy to enter into our family. From now on, even if you meet him, I'll kill him later. I will kill you first. And you, didn't I tell you to keep an eye on them?
Now go upstairs.
Sister, what happened? Are you crying? I already knew something like this would happen. But you don't worry. I am there with you. Whether brother agrees or not, I will get you two definitely married. Okay?
Thank you, brother.
Listen, Anup. I have done all the arrangements. Very soon I will get both of you married.
But what if any problem arises?
You should have thought about this earlier before falling in love. Now what can be done? Listen, I'll handle everything, so you don't worry.
Thank you, bro.
But promise me no mistakes after this. Run! Run! Faster!
Faster! Little faster!
Vikram Singh, your game is over. You're under arrest.
There is no comparison between humanity and caste. People like you have such low mentality.
Very well then. Vikram, you have confessed your crimes. Now come with us.